What I would like to share is my favorite triad, which is communication, case planning, and occlusion. Those three subjects are divided up into separate courses. I am really excited about October is I'm going to be blending all three of those concepts together with real patient stories with a take-home message.
So what we're going to do in October, we're basically hoping, I think, to build on what you laid as a very good foundation for what DIG-A-PALOOZA is all about. And I'm going to do maybe the most bread and butter of all the bread and butter of dentistry, which is basically our direct composites, both in the anterior as well as in the posterior. So what we want to do is we want to increase the efficiency of our work and really at the same time, and this is what it's about, decrease our anxiety by making dentistry, everyday dentistry, more and more predictable.
Internal marketing is the foundation of everything, because if you treat people right, if the patients are being taken care of, they're going to talk about you, whether that's on reviews, whether in a Facebook group, whether they go ahead and make a big post about you or write reviews online that gets your Google listing higher and higher. How you treat people inside your practice matters, and everything else built upon that foundation as you get into marketing.
There is probably no procedure in your dental office as important to the production if you're a standard general office than the dental crown. Come and join me in October, Dentistry in General in Chicago. I will be talking about how to make this most important of procedures fast, efficient, stress-free, financially productive, and better. It's very easy to do something faster and worse. It's very easy to do something stress-free because you don't care, but to make it stress-free and better is our goal. And if you'd like that, come and join us in Chicago, Dentistry in General with Dr. Bob D.
Hi, I welcome you to join us for DIG-A-PALOOZA 2024. I am Vijay Parashar. I'm an oral and maxillofacial radiologist. I'm really grateful to Dr. Bob D for inviting me and giving this opportunity to share about cone beam CT and some tips and tricks on reading and interpreting CBCT images. We will look at a lot of cases. We'll together come up with diagnosis and treatment plan using different imaging modalities, but specifically focusing on cone beam computed tomography. See you at DIG-A-PALOOZA 2024. Thank you.